In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you could create a Game Pass and please donate. So as you can see, I'm on Roblox right now. First thing you're going to do, go to the three dots over here, more. Go to create. It's going to open up a browser. Over here, you have all these experiences. I created all these. You're probably going to only have one, probably like this one. Okay. So just pick one, press manage experience, go to monetization, open the drop down, go to passes. Now I'm gonna want to press create a pass. Basically you just put anything here, put the name. That's what the name is. Okay, as you see, I created a pass. Click on it, sales, price, press the item for sale button, turn it on, put the price. So I'm gonna just make this 1,000 Robux. Save changes, proceed. Done. As you can see, I have now created a game pass. Once I go, let me just join, please donate. Go to this, get a stand. As you see, you just have to wait a bit and your pass will be there. Okay, and yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.